Good afternoon, D&D, TikTok, and barbecue, TikTok, and beyond, and welcome to Roll for Barbecue. Let's get it done. It is so good to be back. I'm not sick anymore. Let's dig in this mini barbecue to see what we're using. And it looks like we're using our shaved metal dice. They look like shaved metal to me. Not bad. As always, this series is inspired by the popular Roll for Sandwich series by Adventures in Ardia. The dice have been tossed, and today's D20 sauce roll will be rolled by new merch from Rob's Films. Hit the link here and get yours today. All right, let's roll for meat. 7, seafood. Okay, let's see what type of seafood we're working with today. Here we go. 10, what's on sale? Because it's the season, we're going for crawfish tails. This bag was a whopping $5. We got some prep work. There it is. We're gonna toss them in our cast iron. Gross. We're not allowed to ship live crawfish to Michigan because it's illegal.
What kind of shit is that?
I know. Let's go ahead and roll binder. 10, cream of something soup. This was a suggestion by one of our followers. I don't know. I don't think it's going to be a good binder. It would make it more casserole-like. And she thick. Come on. Almost there. And, oh my god, way too much. All right, let's go ahead and roll for rubs. 9, Garlic Festival, and 19, Wife's Choice. We got some of that Garlic Festival Texas-style garlic rub seasoning. We're going to season the top, then Wife's Choice. She got us hooked up with Killer Hog's offshore buttery seafood. I honestly think this is going to be a good combo. Both are literally made for seafood. And now, to glove up. We mix them by hand.
Don't touch me, I'm sterile!
Can you use a spoon? Yeah, but I got these gloves, so it's going to work. And Mrs. Barbecue doesn't like that noise. Let's tune in.
Stop doing that. Stop it.
Now that we made her mad, let's roll for wood. 5, mesquite wood. All right, let's see what type of char griller we're working with today. 6, we got the Barrel Pro. It's time to prep up our grill. We're gonna crack open the grates, then hit it with some Royal Oak supersized briquettes. Use the charcoal that you like, but this is what I like to use. We got our briquettes laid down. We're gonna throw down a tumbleweed, then hit it with the flame saber. Don't forget to struggle a bit. It shows you're human. Just like clicking those tongs, you gotta test your flame saber. It took us about 3 seconds to get these set up. And we got our wood. All right, you guys know the grill. We got the Char Griller Barrel Pro. We're setting this up for offset cooking. We want some of that smoke to hit. And now it's time to roll for Wild Magic. 16, pregnancy cravings. Let's wake her up.
Hey, sorry to wake you. What are you craving?
Sleep.
I can't eat sleep.
No.
Think hard.
No. Nuggets.
You're craving chicken nuggets?
That's what it was.
All right. From where?
McDonald's.
Okay.
All right, so we got our crawfish mixture off the grill, and we had to DoorDash some McDonald's. So I'm gonna gracefully open this bag, you know, like a Neanderthal. Then we're gonna give Mrs. Barbecue her nugs, and then one for us. And would you look at them golden nuggies? And one for me. That's the dad tax. I can do that now. Anyways, let's go ahead and put our crawfish slop right on the top. And I'm getting walking taco vibes. All right, let's click those tongs. It's time for the D20 sauce roll. And because we're celebrating Rob's new merch, let's give him a pinkies out. And cheers. 19, Ardia's latest sauce roll. Let's tune in.
All right, last but not least, it's the D20 sauce roll. Here we go. 19, Kewpie mayo. Back at it again with our Japanese mayo, perhaps summoned to this sandwich by our Pocky. You know, for once I might not be the first person to do this.
Kewpie mayo is an Asian-style mayonnaise. You know you got the good stuff when it's coming in a bag. We're gonna give this mixture a nice little drizzle. And these nugs look, interesting. That's saying it nicely. But, how does it taste? Only one way to find out. And down the hatch. Okay, this is actually kind of surprising. DoorDash chicken nuggets are absolute trash. This would probably rate a lot higher if those nuggets were fresh. The crawfish mixture is actually pretty good. For being frozen and brought in, it's not bad. It almost has some like green bean casserole vibes. And the Kewpie takes it to the next level. So for that, we're giving it a 6.6 out of 10, and we're gonna call this the McMudbug. And just like that, folks, that's episode 164. Be sure to like, follow, share, and subscribe, and as always, we'll see you guys at the next barbecue.